radiate boundless love towards the entire world. A disciplined mind brings happiness. Give, even if you only have a little. Conquer anger with non-anger. Conquer badness with goodness. Conquer meanness with generosity. Conquer dishonesty with truth. Those who cling to perceptions and views wander the world, offending people. Drop by drop is the water pot filled. Likewise, the wise man, gathering it little by little, fills himself with good. I will not look at another's bull intent on finding fault, a training to be observed. Let none find fault with others, let none see the omissions and commissions of others. But let one see one's own acts, done and undone. Should a person do good, let him do it again and again. Let him find pleasure therein, for blissful is the accumulation of good. May all beings have happy minds. Delight in heedfulness. Guard well your thoughts. Should a seeker not find a companion who is better or equal, let them resolutely pursue a solitary course. Hatred is never appeased by hatred in this world. By non-hatred alone is hatred appeased. This is a law eternal. Should you find a wise critic to point out your faults, follow him as you would a guide to hidden treasure. Please subscribe our channel to hear quotes of famous people. Please like, comment and share before leaving.